Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a aliases for your bot codes. So basically there's some people who don't know what is aliases. Okay, so aliases is about like when you have a command you can name it like two names, like the rock paper scissors one, you can name it rock paper scissors, or you can name it RPS. So that's what the aliases do. So let's hope in the video. Okay guys, so first of all we will go to our index.js file, and we will go in the beginning here and we will type client dot aliases equal new discord dot collection brackets like this, and we'll put this. Okay, so what does this code do? It just creates a new function for our aliases. So it creates a new function for our aliases. Okay, cool. Now in our command handler, command like that, command handlers commands handler, we will go here to our code and we'll find try here. So we'll just go over here and we'll type, that's a lot of lines, I need to delete some, like this. Okay, so we will type over here file get dot help dot aliases, yeah, dot for each, and then bracket alias, then our function like this. Okay, then we will open one of those. Okay, so now we will type client dot aliases dot set bracket alias comma space file get dot help dot name. Okay, that looks cool here, and we put this. Okay, so some people don't know what does this code do. I will tell right now what does this code do. Okay, so this code actually it works in the, like, it search in the folder, the commands folder, it search if there is an aliases or no. So this code actually search in the commands folder if there is any aliases or no, and if there is aliases, there's another command that will make it work. We will see it after we finish this. So we'll make it like this. It search in the commands folder if there is any aliases. Okay, moving on to the next edit in our index.js, it is here. We need to change this code, okay, to this one. Okay, so basically what does it do? It will make the command like work with his original name and his aliases name. Okay, so let me check if I put all of them. Yeah, here working, everything cool. Okay, so here this command, as I just said, because if you didn't put this, if you didn't change it, like it was like this, if you didn't change it to this, the aliases will not work. That's why you should change it. Okay, so let's try our code right now. We'll go to our commands. Hello. Okay, here we already have a command. If I ran the bot right now, if I make node dot, I will have an error because I don't have the aliases in here, alias. So all I'm gonna do is just put a comma in here and then type aliases, 2 points, and then put this. Here we will type our aliases. So if I want to say hi, maybe, hey, probably. If you want more, just continue like this. If you don't more, just delete it. And some people will say, if I don't want any aliases, should I delete all of this? No, don't delete it, because if you delete it, as I recently said, it will not work. So all you have to do is this. If you don't have any aliases, just make it like this. If you have, just put it like this. Sorry. Okay. So now let's test our bot. Node dot. Okay, everything is loaded. Cool. So if I typed hi to send hello my brother, if I send hello, the same. If I said hey, the same.
A great success!
With only one command over here. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe and comment down below what you want the next video to be. And if you got any errors or you need any help, just contact me on our server. You'll find the link down below in the description. So that's it. Okay, ciao.